Okay, now we're going to take a look at detail number 2 here. This is the connection of the first finished floor into the external wall. If we go back to section 5 and reference it, and that's it there. One of the things we're able to do in Revit that is very handy, you can see that I've used a repeating detail in order to put my brickwork the whole way up the 1:20 section and the blockwork here. And what that allows us to do is to pinpoint our coursing, okay? And the coursing is really important. Now, you spent an awful lot of time making sure that you had openings on the plan corresponding to brick sizes, but you have to remember that, you know, we build vertically as well as horizontally. So that if we were putting, say, a window into that hall area there, well, obviously the builder would need to arrive preferably at a coursing point here for the sill, and then a coursing point there for the head, or something like that. So I think it's quite handy, and basically all I've done is drawn a repeating detail the whole way up there, starting from this point here. And I'll be doing our foundation detail after this, in which we'll be filling this in with solid blockwork up to 225 below the ground finish floor level. So our ground level will be in and around 150, 170 below the ground finish floor level, but our rising wall will come up to 225 below. So back to this detail here, and so you can see that the coursing here matches, so I copied and pasted over the block and the brick repeating detail, like I showed you in the other video there, just below this one. And here is where the floor comes in. Now, somebody was asking me about steel hangers, so we have a couple little things to do here first. And the first thing I'm going to do is a masking region. And do you know what I'll do first is I don't think I'll have enough time to finish that detail here now. So I'm going to show you how I did this. So I drew in, as we did yesterday, and I picked that, and I picked that. Okay, so I selected both of those. They go over to the clipboard, and then when I come into the section, if I go into call out in section 3 here, have a look at that. I'm now going to paste to the same place, and look. So I'm getting my coursing in there correctly. All right, so I'll do video 2 on a tutorial video now, and then I'll do the foundation directly after that.